Happy morning, Gokul. Happy morning, ma'am.
Happy morning, manager.
Happy morning. Thank you. Thank you for joining today's 6 a.m. club happiness dose. As usual, the first question: are you happy? Do you want to be happy? Are you looking for the happy? Are you acting happy?
All in
All. Good, 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 good. So, friends, happy morning. So, thank you for being. So the reason why we started this happiness club is the world's most, the topmost lie. More than 99% of the people who lies is, how are you? And we say, yes, I am good. I am doing very well. I am fine. This is the topmost lie everyone does. Because they feel that they don't want to give a negative thing. Actually, they are what it is, they're cheating themselves by answering that. They can practice being happy actually, rather than just lying. So, what we are doing here is we are practicing the various techniques how to be happy. The reason why we are practicing it is there is a World Happiness Index across the globe. They does this survey to understand whether how many people are happy actually. In that survey, you can see what's the place of India. It is very terrible to know that we are in the 139th position out of 149. The neighborhood countries such as Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, they are all much ahead of us. So, my dear friends, remember the importance of being happy or practicing happy. Now tell me, do you want to be happy or do you want to practice being happiness? Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's get into some biological reasons behind the happiness. There are 4 major chemicals which are known as dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphin. These 4 happiness chemicals, first letters only, we name it as a dose. So if you can see, each and every chemical helps us to improve the happiness among us. When it comes to dopamine, we call it as a reward chemical. Whenever you complete a task, whenever you accomplish something, whenever you appreciate someone, whenever you eat a good food, whenever you celebrate everything, this dopamine, the reward chemical will improve your happiness. Coming to the second chemical, oxytocin. This is also known as love hormone. Having a pet, playing with the dog, playing with the baby, holding a hand. If you are in worry, if you want to have someone next to you, you try to hold their hand, right? And hugging your family members, giving a compliment, all these things will improve your happiness because this is known as love hormone. And coming to the third one, serotonin. This is also known as mood stabilizer. There is a myth that only female or women have the mood swings. No, even men have the mood swings. Compared to the women, men have many mood swings. They keep on changing their moods, but they doesn't know. They doesn't show it up actually. So remember, my dear friends, if you do a meditation, a small exercises like walking, running, swimming, or being into the sunlight, all these things will help you to improve the serotonin, the mood swings. If you are upset, if your mood is not good, always used to say, "Nah, my mood is not good." Just take it any of this exercise. definitely it will change your mood. You can walk in a nature actually. That's one of the therapeutic approach. Walk in a nature or walk in a beach without slippers. Whenever you want to walk on a beach, walk without slippers. That is a purely acupressure therapy where it will activate your entire body. And finally, the endorphin, the painkiller. So if you have a pain in your body, you don't need to take a painkillers. Just do these exercises. Starting with the laughter exercise, we are going to do it at the end of the session. The beautiful exercise. We are all going to sing, dance, and show our expressions. And there are some essential oils, healthy oils. Consume it. Make sure you consume those healthy oils every day. And watch a comedy shows. There are many shows such as Tom and Jerry. We have Charlie Chaplin, and even if you have any kind of local comedy shows, go ahead and watch it. And dark chocolate. Consuming dark chocolate helps you a lot. And finally, exercising, doing a basic exercise. So, shall we get into our activities? Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes,
sit
sir.
in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Think of our whole day yesterday, starting from morning till the evening. Think of whole day. What and all the things you did. What are all the activities you performed yesterday. Think of everything. So out of those activities, pick whatever made you happy, so happy. Pick one activity. Be into that activity. Feel that activity. Visualize what are all the things you can see. Recollect them. Everything around you. Recollect the sounds. What are all the things you can hear? Recollect the feeling, the touch during that happy moment. Recollect how your body, how your mind is thinking during that moment. All those feelings, all those thoughts, all those actions. You are into that moment. You are enjoying each and every moment. You are so happy. You are feeling so happy. Now slowly open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. You can see a beautiful blank screen in front of you. Just click on the screen. You can see a pen on the bottom down. If you are into a mobile, if you are into a PC or laptop, on the top in the options, select annotate. Then you can see a pen. Select your favorite color and start drawing a smiley which represents your happy moment. Don't draw it on another one smiley. So just wait for others. You can pick any place and start drawing your beautiful smiley. Don't overwrite on others. Make sure your smiley is very, very beautiful. Lakshmi Narayanan sir, only smiley. Or smiley
Yes,
podam.
sir. Okay.
Good, 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 good. Gokul is finished. One of the beautiful smiley. Dhanulakshmi ma'am finished. Gopi sir finished. Nandakumar sir finished. Rajalakshmi ma'am she is doing. Yamini finished. Lakshmi Narayan sir.
பெண் வர மாட்டேங்குது. பெண்ணு கிடைக்கல. பெண் கிடைக்க மாட்டேங்குது.
You need to practice sir.
Okay, thank you.
நீங்க கிளிக் பண்ணாலே பென் கிடைக்குமே லெஃப்ட் சைடுல.
மாட்டேங்குது.
சார் ஃபோன் யூஸ் பண்றீங்களா லேப்டாப் யூஸ் பண்றீங்களா லட்சுமி?
ஓடி போயிட்டேன். வந்து.
Okay. Those who are finished, you can just close your eyes. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale. Think of one activity, what you want to do today, which will make you so happy. One activity. You want to do this activity to be happy. Think of that beautiful activity and plan what you want to do to accomplish that task. What are all the things you require to finish the task? What are all the essential things you need to finish the task? Think of everything. Think how you feel if you finish the task. Remember, you are finishing the task. You are accomplished the task today. And think how you feel when you accomplish the task. You are into that action. What are all the beautiful sceneries you can visualize when you accomplish that task? What are all the beautiful sounds you would like to hear from the people around you? What are all the beautiful things that you would like to have to accomplish the task? Think of everything. Think of everyone whom you want to have around you to accomplish the task. Think of everything which help you to be happy. Think of everyone who will help you to be happy. Now, slowly release your breath. Start blinking your eyes and open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. And here you have a blank screen with your names. To start, take only your box. You can zoom it and you can start drawing. Only in your box, not in another one's box. Okay, to start drawing it, what the happiest moment represent to you. Don't worry if you are not a good artist. Whatever you draw, you are the best. That is the intention you should have. Okay, so go ahead and give your best. Always have a faith in you, confident in you. You can give your best. Yamini, you are ready to start. Yamini, are you there?
No, I'm here. Can
Yes.
you see my screen? I've drawn something. Is it visible now?
Yes. It is visible.
Okay, now yeah.
மணி சார்,
Ah. சொல்லுங்க coach.
கலர்ஸ் வந்து இதுல வந்து கலர்ஸ் வந்து ஃபோர்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் காமிக்குது.
Colors
Black,
வந்து
red, yellow ஒரு 5 கலர்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் காமிக்குது. இது இவ்வளவு மட்டும் தான் காமிக்குமா?
ஆமா சார், மொபைல்ல வந்து கம்மியா தான் காட்டும்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
ஓகே சார், thank you.
Yeah, I think you can I'm not sure. கம்மியா தான் காட்டும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் in mobile.
Okay sir.
Yeah.
5 colors only showing on mine, that's why I asked.
Okay. So since we've been used to see the green color tick mark to be happy, I am giving you a tick mark to all your drawings, all your beautiful drawings. So be happy, and I'm sharing my love and care to all your beautiful drawings because these are your beautiful happiest moments. Lakshmi Narayanan sir, please start your drawing. And you are the star performer of the day. You can see a star next to you. Next to your name. You're the best and you are the great. Good. Now, you thought something in your mind. You represented something in front of your screen, on your screen. And let us hear from others how they perceive, what they think by looking at your drawing. So let us see this beautiful exercise. And what we will be doing is, I'll ask everyone next to you on the screen to share their views about your drawing. Okay? We'll start one by one. Just a minute. Yes. Okay. Gopi sir, you can start with Lakshmi Narayanan sir drawing.
It's look like fish, sir.
Looks like a fish. Superb. Lakshmi Narayan sir. Lakshmi Narayan sir.
Voting point, sir, Gopi sir.
Yeah. Nandakumar sir ada.
நந்தகுமாருக்கு மீன் போட்டுருக்காரு. மீன் போட்டு மீனை எப்படி இருக்கிறது மீன்.
Good. Nandakumar sir.
சார், 2 பேரை வந்து டிவி வாட்ச் பண்ற மாதிரி ஒரு அழகான ஒரு காட்சியை கோபி போட்டிருக்கேங்க சார்.
Super, fantastic. Gokul.
தோட்டத்துல ரோஜா பூ பூக்குது, அத வந்து வண்டு வந்து பாக்குற மாதிரி இருக்கு.
Super. Rajalakshmi ma'am.
கரெக்ட் சார் சொன்னது கரெக்ட்டுங்க சார்.
ஓகே, நீங்க வந்து தனலட்சுமி மேமோட டிராயிங் சொல்லணும். தனலட்சுமி மேமோட டிராயிங் பார்த்து சொல்லணும்.
கொஞ்சம் இந்த ரயில்வே ஸ்டேஷன்ல மூட்டையா அடுக்கி வச்சிருப்பாங்கல்ல சார், அத மாதிரி தெரியுது எனக்கு.
சூப்பர், இட்ஸ் ஃபேண்டாஸ்டிக். தனலட்சுமி மேம்,
லக்கேஜ்.
எஸ். யாமினியோட டிராயிங் பார்த்தா என்ன தோணுது? வாட் யூ see? தனலட்சுமி மேம்?
Sir, yes sir.
யாமினி டிராயிங்.
இந்தியாவும் மலேசியாவும் போட்டுருக்காங்க.
Okay, super. Yamini, Gopi started drawing.
Yes, sir. It's beautiful lamp.
Beautiful lamp, superb, superb. So here the essence of this exercise comes. See, you thought something, but others perceive something. It might be entirely different, or you will have something in your mind. This is how the life it is. Just for an example, there is a beautiful example of 6 and 9. Okay, when you draw a 6 on the floor, you are standing from this side. It's always 6 from your side. But the opposite person in front of you, he can see the same 6 as 9. And you always says, I am right, it is 6 only. And he is always saying, no, I am right, it is 9 only. Unless you go to their position and look at from their view, you doesn't know that he is right. And unless he comes to your position and look at from your position, he doesn't know that you are right. This is the life is all about. But we are not thinking about what we know, what is our perceptions. We are always thinking about others' perception. We always think what he is thinking about me, what she is thinking about me, what they will think if I do it, what they will think if I don't do it. This is the reason why most of the people are not happy. So my dear friends, please stop worrying about others' perceptions and start focusing on your thoughts, your feelings, your actions. Got it? Are you all with me?
Yes, Anna.
Yes,
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
sir.
Yes, no.
So that is the exercise which we learn now with a superb drawing. And I'm so glad to have your drawings. So let's get into our next exercise, self-appraisal. Yes, there are many people who feel that I'm doing a lot of things and no one is appreciating me. If you know the worth of yourself, why you need to bother about others to appreciate you? Start appreciating yourself. Before getting from the bed, before going to the bed, after getting up from the bed, daily do this exercise. So let's take our left hand, place it on your right shoulder, take your right hand, come on, say shabash, 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 shabash. Once again, shabash, shabash, shabash. Once more, shabash, shabash, shabash. Start appreciating, give a compliment for everything and everyone, every small activity. You will be more happy when you do this. And let's do a gratitude exercise. Gratitude should be the part of our attitude. Whenever someone helps us, whenever something helps us, right away, we are using a Zoom. The Zoom is helping us to organize this beautiful 6 a.m. happiness dose. Let's thank the Zoom. Let's thank the device you are using, being it mobile, PC, or laptop. Similarly, let us thank everything and everyone who made us happy. Open your eyes, wide open your eyes to thank everyone. Straighten it, reverse, cross, connect, twist and down, twist and up. Bring it closer to your heart, below your chin. Take a long and deep breath. Think of everything and everyone who made us happy. Let us thank them from the bottom of the heart. On the count of 1 to 12 and 12 to 1, inhale and exhale. On count, start. 1, abdomen breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, chain. Now slowly release your fingers, start blinking your eyes, and the beautiful smile on your face, open your eyes. Let's do a self-hug. Hugging is one of the beautiful therapeutic approach to release all your mental stigma, mental issues. So, wide open your hands, take a long and deep breath. Inhale, rise your head up, and slowly exhale and bring your hands closer to hug yourself, where your right hand is on top and left hand is at the bottom. Hug yourself. Feel the hug. Make sure each and every cell of your body is hugging yourself. Love yourself. Say yourself, you are so beautiful. You are the best and you are the greatest person. Feel the proudness in you. And now slowly inhale and wide open your hands. Rise your head up. And slowly exhale and bring your both hands closer where your left hand is on up. Hug yourself. The beautiful smile. Make sure each and every cell of your body feel the hug. Love yourself. Keep on saying, I'm the best, I'm the great, I'm the beautiful and handsome person in this world. Now slowly release your breath. Inhale, release your hands, wide open it, rise your hand up, rise your head up, and slowly exhale and bring your hands to hug yourself where your right hand is on top. Make sure each and every cell in your body is hugging themselves. Feel the happiness. Now slowly inhale and release your hands. Wide open it. Rise your head up. And slowly exhale where your left hand is on top and bring your both hands up. Hug yourself. Feel the warm hug, happy hug. Make sure each and every cell of your body feel your hug. Keep on saying, love yourself. Keep saying yourself, I'm the best and I'm the great. And slowly inhale and release your hands. Wide open your hands. Wide it as much as you can. Rise your head up. And slowly exhale and bring it closer to your hug. Make sure your left hand is on top and love yourself and feel the warm hug, happy hug. Make sure each and every cell of your body feeling the hug. Keep saying, I'm the best and I'm the great. Love yourself. Slowly release your hands and relax. Start blinking your eyes and with beautiful smile on your face, open your eyes. Now it's time for happy task of the day. Think of one task, being it eating, watching TV, preparing food, doing your work, office work, listening to your favorite music, doing your favorite performing artistic skills, whatever it might be. Pick one task which you want to achieve for today and go ahead and do it immediately as the first task to be happy for the day. Now we are moving to the beautiful, the final energetic alphabet laughing exercise. See how our love smiley is laughing and dancing. We're expecting similar kind of laughing from each and every one of you. There is a huge difference between a smile and laugh. Whenever I'm talking, I can see a beautiful smile on your face. A smile doesn't require to open your mouth and showing your teeth, but laugh required everything. Wide opening your mouth and showing your entire everything in your mouth. That is how you need to laugh, like how I used to tell my kids, like how the villains laugh in the movies. You should laugh like that. Okay? So first we will practice the alphabet and then we will get into the song because we are all the beautiful nursery kids here. Okay? So let us start our alphabet. First I will tell the alphabets and then you can recite it. However, I will do it. Whenever you do it with a complete focus and attention and have a beautiful smile on your face with a good body language, good expressions. Ready, start? Ah, ha ha, e e, he ho ho ho, eh hey, I, hi, ho ho, ho ho, how, aha, yes, we are done with the alphabet. That's fantastic. So we are done with the alphabet and let us sing a song rhyme. Okay? Let us start. Ha 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 ha. He 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 he. Ho 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 ho. Hey 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 hey. Ha hi ha hi ha hi hi. Ho 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 ho. Ha how ha how ha how. Ha 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 hum hum ha hum ha 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 hum hum. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. He 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 he. Ho 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 ho. Hey 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 hey. Ha hi ha hi ha hi hi. Ho 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 ho. Ha how ha how ha how. Ha hum ha 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 hum hum. Ha 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 ha. Now raise your heads up and open all your mental stress, all your fears, all your worries, and Laugh like anything, like a villain. That's fantastic. That's fantastic. Superb, superb, superb. Kudos to you, my dear friends. Happy to see all your laugh and hearing it. That made me so happy. So, the final task of the day. These are the beautiful kindness acts. According to the research, those who perform daily random acts of kindness, those who help others, they would be happy. 100% happy. This is one of the beautiful therapeutic approach and the research done by many institutes, many universities, many scientists. And these are the 12 different kindness acts, being it hugging a tree, watering plants, use your own cloth bag, walk for a kilometer, feed animals, have a water bowl for the birds, thank someone, help a senior citizen, play with a kid, create a plastic-free zone, and spend a mobile-free hour or share a meal. You can pick any of one small task which doesn't even take a couple of minutes time. Pick one, or if you want to do all 12, you can do all the 12 activities. You can do it, and you can share it if you'd like to, or be happy. The ultimate goal is to do and feel the essence of doing it. And if you'd like to share it, please do share, so that the reason why I ask you to share is whenever the people, your friends, your family, your other community, whenever they see what you are doing, they'll get inspired to do. That is the reason why I ask the people to share. And finally, thank you for smiling. So do you have smiles for everyone? Do you have smiles to share? Please share the smiles, be happy, and create the happy family by teaching the happiness in your teaching and practicing the happiness in your family. Teach the happiness techniques to your neighborhood to create the happy neighborhood. Teach the happiness to your community to create the happy community around you, which will indirectly result to the happily living place. Make this world a happily living place. Okay? The floor is open for you. So we have 12 minutes. So if anyone would like to share anything, so
Thank you.
Mani sir.
Thank you.
happy morning, sir. Thank you. Yes.
Mani sir.
Yes. Solling, sir.
I will tell one tip for the day for happiness.
Yes.
Today is the Friday. Friday represents the goddess Lakshmi.
Yes.
The most powerful mantra for Lakshmi is Shreem Brizi. You can chant this mantra from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. on Friday and 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. on Friday. This is the most powerful mantra for wealth and prosperity. Shreem represents for wealth and prosperity. Brizi for cleansing our karma. Thank you, sir.
You can record and send it in the group and also type the mantra so that people can easily practice it. That's fantastic, sir.
Sure.
Thank you so much. So anyone
Thank
would
you,
like to
Gopinath.
share anything? Any feedback?
Anna, yesterday one of my relatives, she was not feeling well actually.
Okay.
She took the Covishield shot. She had a lot of fever.
Okay.
They lost her father recently. Due to COVID, she lost her father. So I was awake with them throughout the whole night. They are staying in a different place. I'm staying in a different place. I was awake with them. They were so happy that there was someone to be along with them. Yeah.
Super. That's fantastic. Good.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you for teaching us. Thank you.
Super. That's good to know, Mani. So keep it up. Keep making a difference.
Yeah. Thank you, Anna. Yeah. They were really feeling so happy. Yeah.
Good. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much. So see you tomorrow.